Alright guys, so today we installed this blow-off valve from eBay. As you can see, it's just a external valve that releases the air, atmospheric, on the 2024 Bronco Raptor. This is what it looks like once we took it out the box. Very good quality, CNC machined. And above that is the factory blow-off valve. This is the hardware. So you just basically take out these 3 screws, and once you do that, you pull off the old blow-off valve and unplug the harness. Once you do that, this is just a look at my Raptor, just so you guys can see. But once you do that, you get that Ford performance, and it sounds great. This is before we did the install. This is the packaging, and it came with the hardware. Very good quality. And it came relatively quick, no complaints. The gaskets look great. These are the tools that you need. This was one of the small torques that I used for my toolbox. These were the screws, but they weren't that tight, so it actually came out very, very easy. And once you take it off, that's it.